Good morning students. Today I am going to start exercise 5.1 for the class 10. This is arithmetic progression means AP. In 10th class we have to study only about the AP, but in other classes we have to read, we have to study about the arithmetic progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression. So think about just 5.1 how we can solve the questions. Think taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 for the first kilometer. So just think for first kilometer this is 15 and again 8 rupees for each. So what we have to do? We have to add 15 plus 8. Like this one, 15 plus 8. So how it can be solved? There are two terms in arithmetic progression. One is first term and another term is common difference. First term and common difference. So think 15, then 23 and so on, you can write down in this book. Another question, think about second question. A equal to 10, A equal to 10 and a D equal to 10. So in AP, we have to write A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. We have how many terms we have to write down? We have to write down first 4 terms in AP. So we can write down A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D in this way. So what is the A? A is first term equal to 10. 10 and 10 plus 10, D equal to 10, so 10 plus 10 and 10, 2 multiplied 10 and 10 further 3 multiplied 10. Now we can write down we can write down 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 20, 30, 10 plus 30, 40. R in AP. Think about another question. For the following AP, third question. For the following AP, write the first term and the common difference. What is given? 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3 and so on. Also. First term is A equal to 3 and think about the common difference. Common difference means A2 minus A1. So what is A2? A2 is 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. So what I get first term equal to A equal to 3 and common difference equal to B equal to minus 2. Now you can solve second, third and fourth question from question number 3, exercise 5.1. Now I am going to tell you about the another question. It's question number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following are AP? Just think, 2, 4, 8, 16. A equal to 2, but think about the A2 minus A1 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2, and think about A3 minus A2 equal to 8 minus 4 equal to 4, and think about A4 minus A3 equal to 16 minus 8 equal to 8. So common difference is not same. Common difference is not same in all. So this is not in AP. No, it is not in AP. Think about another question. Question number 2. What is given? Given 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, and so on. Think about the first term A equal to 2, and common difference A2 minus A1 equal to 5 by 2 minus 2 equal to 2, 5 minus 4 equal to 1 by 2. Think about the A3 minus A2 equal to 3 minus 5 by 2. Take LCM. LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2. So this is 6 minus 5 equal to 1 by 2. Again, so what is the common difference? Common difference is 1 by 2. So this is in, yes, common difference is same, half of, that's why this is in AP. It is in AP. And what is the value? What is the value of A? A equal to 2. And what is the value of B? B equal to half. Think about the another question. Now I am going to tell you about the exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. Think about the formula. A equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. You can solve through this formula. Think about the question number 1. What is given? Given A equal to 7, A equal to 7, D equal to 3, n equal to 8, and what we have to find out? We have to find out an. We have to find out an. So we know that an equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So put the value of A, n and D. A equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 into 3 equal to 7 plus 7, 8 minus 1 equal to 7, 7 multiply 3. So 7 plus 21, 7 plus 21, 7 plus 21, 7 3 is 21, 7 plus 21 equal to 28. This is the answer. Now think about the another question. Question number second. Question number second. Choose the correct. So this is the MCQ type questions. Term of AP 1074 is 1074 is. There are four options: A 97, 77, and -77 and -87. So think about. We have to find out A equal to 10, D equal to 7, D equal to 7 minus 10 equal to -3, A2 minus apply n equal to 30. So we know that n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So put the value of a 10, 30 minus 1 and d equal to -3. So 10 plus 29 multiply -3, 10 minus 87 equal to -77. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is C. Correct answer is C. Thank you dear. Thank you so much. This is exercise 5.2 and what we have done,